Hello friends. Welcome to Tricky Medicos. In this video we will talk about the important numerical datas in ophthalmology. 1. Volume of eyeball equals 6 milliliters. 2. Volume of orbit equals 30 milliliters. 3. Shape of eyeball equals a spherical, also called a oblate spheroid. 4. Shape of orbit equals quadrilateral or pyramidal. 5. Length of optic nerve equals 3.5 to 5.5 centimeters. Average 5 centimeters. 6. Normal endothelial cell count equals 2400 3000 cells per cubic millimeter. 7. Endothelial cell count less than 2400 but greater than 500 per millimeter cube. Then cornea adapts by polymegathism and polymorphism. 8. Endothelial cells less than 500 per millimeter cube. Then it leads to corneal decompensation. That is, the cornea becomes hazy. 9. Normal intraocular pressure is equal to 10 to 21 millimeters of Hg. 10. Number of ciliary processes in pars plicator is equal to 70. 11. Axial length of eyeball is equal to 24 millimeters. 12. Depth of anterior chamber is equal to 2.5 to 4.4 millimeters. 13. Anisometropia is difference in refractory power between the two eyes greater than 2.5 diopter. 14. Infant is hypermetropic by 2.5 to 3 diopter. 15. Diameter of macula is equal to 5 to 5.5 millimeters. 16. Diameter of optic disc is equal to 1.5 millimeters. 17. Distance between fovea and disc is equal to 2 disc diameters, which is equal to 3 millimeters. 18. Rate of secretion of aqueous humor is equal to 2.3 microliter per minute. 19. Anisocoria is difference greater than equal to 0.4 millimeters in pupil size of both eyes. 20. Microphakia is lens diameter less than 9 millimeters. 21. Radius of curvature of anterior surface of lens is equal to 10 millimeters. 22. Radius of curvature of posterior surface of lens is equal to 6 millimeters. 23. Equatorial diameter of lens is equal to 10 millimeters. 24. Refractory power of lens is equal to plus 16 to plus 19 diopter. 25. Refractive index of lens is equal to 1.39. 26. Refractive index of central part of lens is equal to 1.406, which is maximum. 27. Refractive index of peripheral part of lens is equal to 1.386. 28. Refractive index of cornea is equal to 1.37. 29. Microphthalmos is small eyeball with axial length less than 21 mm. 30. Minimum angle of resolution is 13 to 16 seconds of an arc. 31. Power of cornea equals plus 43 diopter to plus 44 diopter. 32. Power of anterior surface of cornea equals plus 48.3 diopter. 33. Power of posterior surface of cornea equals minus 5.88 diopter. 34. Normal Arden's ratio is greater than 1.85. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon.